Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. This is part 9 of the Fruit Ninja tutorial series. In this episode, we're not going to be actually building and adding features to our game. Instead, we're going to review because we're now done with the series. So really good job if you've made it through all the other 8 parts. It's been a good amount of work, but you've learned some pretty interesting concepts, hopefully, and I think you've built a really cool game that you can share with your friends and family and also have a good time playing yourself. So let's see how it works. I'll full screen and play. We're spawned into a main menu. And as you can see, we have this cursor as well as a crosshair that follows and the blade. And the blade has this cool grid animation and these kind of graphics. And you can see we have a ring that's circling. We can strike across it. We're given this white transition flash effect. And then we're taken into our game where we have to avoid the bombs and slice the fruits. We have our lives, our score in the top left. And as you can see, the fruits start to spawn in waves. We have a random critical effect every 1 in 10 chance. And if you may remember from one of the earlier episodes, I just lost there, but our game gets increasingly more difficult as we survive longer. I can continue to swipe, and you can see that if I miss the fruit, I lose lives until I lose as well. So those are the 2 ways to get to game over, either a bomb or through fruit. You can retry again, and yeah, you get the gist of the game. So we've used a lot of costumes and a lot of sprites. I think this is 14 sprites in total. And it's been a good amount of code. So you can see we started just with spawning these, and we made it all the way here into some of the more game mechanics. We have this score, our lives, the bomb, which uses the same physics as the fruit. We have this game that manages the waves and spawning the fruits and the bombs. We have this particle effect that follows the mouse, like I said. We have these critical effects, the crosshair, obviously, game over animation, the flash animation for when you die with a bomb or just get into the game at the start, like right here. And then 4 more sprites. We have the score counter at the end and the retry. We have the retry ring and the retry fruit. And it's basically just a retry button. Then we have the main title for the menu. And finally, a play button. So those are the 14 sprites we made in this series. Really good job. I hope to see you guys in future videos, and stay subscribed. Make sure to like the video, turn on notifications, and I hope to see you soon. Peace out.